Hello everybody, we will make a fruit salad over here and it is healthy, so let's cut the apple first. This is the first thing we will do. Like this. I like to cut banana because it's so easy. Now let's cut because it has vitamin C. If we put it, it's like the apple. It has vitamin C. It will make us very good healthy. And now let's cut it. So look, when you hold the knife, you need to be very careful because you can cut your finger. But I'm careful. I know how to cut my cut fruit with the knife. And look how beautiful it's looking inside. Like now, let's put it. I will add some juice. Look how. Only a little, not a lot. We're gonna mix it and look how fresh it looks like because we added very good fruits here. Look how fresh. I will add some honey. Look at it, how fresh it looks like, and to make it sweeter. Now let's put it. Whoa! Look how big it's looking like. And I will do more pictures to make you have fun more. Now I will try my fruit salad. It is See you next time, and you can tomorrow I will see you again and I will check that if you saw my video. Bye bye.